Hey guys, this is Blaine with Stocks for Beer Trading, and I'm looking at stocks on watch for December the 19th. First one up here is DRWI, Dragon Wave. Basically a nice little run today over 240 towards 3. Hit that 3 resistance head on. Now I'm looking to see if it can, ideally the play would be to see if it opens weak just below 3 and then can bust through 3 to head towards 330 or even 350. We'll just see what it gives us though. If it gaps up, then we'll give it a few minutes to see where it goes from there. But nice volume bar. One of the two biggest volume bars in the past year. THQI, another one on watch here. Bottom chart, possibly a higher low here. I'm going to zoom in real quick and show you the actual setup for me. So I'm thinking it needs to break through 150, and it might get a push towards this high of about 170 or even 180 for a quick day trade out of it if it can get through that 150 level. TASR, TASR looks ready to push back towards 9. We'll just have to see where it opens and play what it gives us. If it gaps up too high, then it might be worth shorting, and if it opens weak again, then it might be ready to go long towards 9. We'll just see what it gives us in the morning. I'll talk about this more in the chat room. ZGNX, another bottom chart here. Looks like resistance at 140. So if it gets through that 140 mark in the morning, I wouldn't be surprised to see this go higher most of the day. Gap to fill towards 215, 220. FST alerted in chat fairly early. Nice little spike today towards that resistance at 720. So it needs to break the 720 level for continuation towards 750 or even 8. Path was worth watching over Tuesday's high about 360 towards 380. And then if it breaks 380, it might even head towards 4 or 420. This has a FDA catalyst coming up too, so might be a run-up trade into that news. Hero, solid breakout over 540. So watch for follow through over this 591, the high of for Tuesday. If it can do that, it might get a push over 6 to go higher. If we zoom out, it's pretty much making 52-week highs here, so might have a little ways to run if it can continue. Cool, COOL, looking like a potential move over 115 towards 125 there for a quick day trade out of it. I like this setup to test this range break here. DEXO, former runner, obviously some action going on lately. If he can get a push over 170, might continue higher towards 180 or even 2. DVR, another nice breakout over 160. I told you to watch this thing over the 150 break a couple weeks ago. It's doing quite well since then, and it looks like it's going to head towards 180 or 190 soon. BCRX, another bottom chart here. It looks like it could go higher over 170 or 175. It looks like nice little room still. Technically, I would consider this a gap fill just because this day was just an outlier. So, in my opinion, room to 240 if it can get over this level. FARE, current OTC promotion going on right now. If it can break through about 13.5, then this probably heads back up. This big resistance level at 15, in my opinion, that will be key to break in the next few days if they will actually want to continue this thing and get it going higher. Otherwise, if we get a washout below about 11.5, then I'll probably be looking to try to play the bounce off of it. Drop seems to be setting up again for a push over 22 back towards 24 for a quick day trade if it goes. I still think this probably goes higher long term, but we'll just see what it does here if it can actually get through the 22 spot first. LQMT, bottom penny stock to watch, especially if it can break back through 12. It might get a push towards 13 or 14 or even 16 depending on the trend. We'll just play the trend and see what it gives us. KWBT, sub penny stock with action on Tuesday. Nice little pop off this bottom here. If it gets through 4, it probably goes higher. Just watch for continuation. Basically just a gamble play really. This maybe goes to 0.006 if you get lucky, but this is a gamble play, so just be careful and only use money you really can afford to lose. So Anyway, there's you guys' watch list for December the 19th. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the chat.